Which organ system do you see in the picture alongside? That is cardiac system, nervous system, and respiratory system, and digestive system. The various organs are safe within the body cavity. The human skeleton is a protective shell for all internal organs. Think what happens when we fall while playing or have an accident. A bone in an arm may get broken. This is called fracture of the bone. A fracture in a bone causes severe and unbearable pain. आपल्याला अस्थिभंगामुळे अतिशय वेदना होतात आणि अस्थिभंग झालेल्या भागास लगेच सूज येतात. आफ्टर an accident, prevent any movement of the fractured part. अस्थिभंग झालेल्या भागाची हालचाल टाळावी. After going to hospital, an X-ray image is taken of the part which is swollen. सूज आलेल्या भागाचा एक्सरे केला जातो. An X-ray image shows whether the bone is broken and also the exact spot where it is broken. एक्सरे मुळे अस्थिभंग झालेल्या हाड लगेच लक्षात येते. All bones of the body along with the cartilage together form a skeletal systems. Bones are hard and are composed of two main constituents. Bone cells are biotic, while calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, minerals and salts are abiotic components. Bone cells are biotic components. तुम्ही बघू शकता यामध्ये तुम्हाला बोन सेल्स दिसतात आहे. Calcium imparts strength to the bones. The system which gives a definite shape to the body, provides support and protects the delicate organs inside the body is called skeletal system. The human skeleton can be divided into two parts. First of all, types of bones. Bones of our body are classified into four types: flat bones, small bones, irregular bones and long bones. यामध्ये तुम्ही बघू शकता फ्लॅट बोन्स. फ्लॅट बोन्स आर लोकेटेड इन रिब केज अँड स्मॉल बोन्स. तुम्ही बघू शकता small bones are located in wrist and ankle. Irregular bones, मानेच्या आणि कमरेच्या हाडामध्ये हे बोन्स असतात. त्यानंतर लॉंग बोन्स. लॉंग बोन्स आर लोकेटेड इन अप्पर लिम्स अँड लोअर लिम्स, दॅट इज आर्म्स अँड लेग्स. The human skeletal systems can be divided into two parts: the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton consists of skull, spine, and a rib cage. And the appendicular skeleton is made up of bones of upper limbs and lower limbs, that is arm and legs. The axial skeleton, skull. Skull, the bone of skull are flat and strong. There are altogether 22 bones in the skull, 8 in the head and 14 in the face. तुम्ही बघू शकता कवटीमध्ये एकूण 22 हाडे असतात. None of the bone except for the lower jaw of skull can move. खालचा जबडाच फक्त हालचाल करू शकतो. Rib cage. The cage-like structure in the chest is called rib cage. In the chest, there is one vertical flat bone called sternum. 12 pairs of flat bones called ribs are joined to it sideways. These 25 bones from the rib cage, it is joined to the spine at back. छातीच्या पिंजऱ्यामध्ये एकूण 12 हाडांची जोडी असते. त्यानंतर एकूण 25 बोन्स छातीच्या पिंजऱ्यामध्ये असते आणि पाठीच्या कण्याला हे जोडलेले असतात. The spine is formed by padlock-shaped bones placed straight one above the other. There are altogether 33 bones in the spine, each called a vertebra. These bones are arranged one above the other flexibly. The spine protects the spinal cord that originates from brain. The appendicular skeleton. The human body has 2 arms and 2 legs. The different parts of arms and legs have several bones which are connected together by joints. Joints are the place where 2 or more than 2 bones are connected to each other. Joints are of 2 types. Movable joints. Bones can move in movable joint. For example, bones of arms and legs. पायामधली आणि हातामधली joints हालचाल करू शकतात. The next type is immovable joint. Bones cannot move in immovable joint. Example, bones of skull. Other than the lower jaw, फक्त कवटीमध्ये खालच्या जबड्याची हालचाल होऊ शकते. Types of joints. Hinge joint. This type of joint allows the movements of bones only in one direction. It moves in 180-degree angle. यामध्ये एकाच दिशेला हाडांची हालचाल होते. For example, the elbow and the knee joints. Second, ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the bones can move in 2 or more directions in a 360-degree angle. For example, shoulder and hip joints. खांदे आणि कमरेमधील हाडे ही वर्तुळामध्ये हालचाल करू शकतात. Gliding joints. In this type of joint, the bones can only slide over each other. Example, ankle joints, wrist joint. Do you know the smallest bone in our body is the stirrup? It is as small as the grain of rice. कानामध्ये हे हाड असतं. The longest bone in the human body is femur, that is thigh bone. मांडीमधील हाड हे सर्वात मोठे हाड होय.